Are they low graduation rates? And if they are, is that a problem we need to address?
Yes, they are low. That's a very expensive problem for both the student and for the taxpayer in the case of public universities and community colleges. So yes, it is a very much of a problem. Now, how you deal with it is complex because you can't just graduate everybody who starts out. We want to have solid academic quality, and getting graduation rates up, which is a very important goal now, should not be at the expense of, say, the grade inflation, for example.
It sounds as if the entry process to college needs to be looked at in terms of making sure that more people actually graduate.
Absolutely. If many of those students who start out thinking they're going to get a four-year degree were more realistic about their interests, about their abilities, what they want to do over the next few years, we'd be better off, and we'd undoubtedly have fewer people in college.
You mentioned the finances of this. Explain just briefly. Taxpayers fund a lot of this, and they may not realize it. They traditionally would think, well, families are coming up with loans or they've saved money, but the taxpayers do pay for a lot of this.
Definitely they do. In the case of public universities, for example, in North Carolina, each student is subsidized. That is, the state is paying about $13,000 per student per year, so that if that student takes 6 years to get through, it's even more expensive for the taxpayer. But of course, the student is also paying. And one of the great sad phenomena of this period is the amount of college loans that students have taken, some of whom do not actually graduate.